So, you're looking to start your online store and you're caught between Shopify and Wix. Which one offers the better e commerce features for beginners? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one works best for your needs, and you might even be surprised by the option I'll recommend at the end. Let's dive in, starting with Shopify. Shopify is built from the ground up as an e commerce platform. It's designed to help you launch, run, and scale your online business. The first thing that stands out with Shopify is its ease of use. Even though it's feature-rich, Shopify doesn't overwhelm beginners. You get access to a clean, straightforward interface, and there's tons of support to guide you along the way. Next thing to mention is Shopify's robust set of features. It has everything from customizable online stores to integrations with major payment gateways. Plus, it offers advanced features like automatic tax calculations, integrated shipping options, and comprehensive inventory management. If you're serious about running a business with high scalability, Shopify's got your back. But there's a catch. Shopify's pricing can be a bit steep for someone just starting out. The basic plan starts at $39 a month, which could be a barrier for beginners on a tight budget. Now, let's talk about Wix. Wix has made huge strides in e-commerce over the years, and while it's primarily a website builder, it offers a surprisingly solid e-commerce package for beginners. One of the best things about Wix is its drag and drop functionality. If you want to get your store up and running quickly, Wix makes it super easy without any coding required. They've also got a bunch of professional-looking templates, which is a huge time saver. The fourth thing to note is that Wix is more budget-friendly than Shopify. Their plans start at $27 a month, making it an attractive option for those who are just testing the waters. Wix also provides a free plan, but with limitations on e-commerce features. However, Wix doesn't have the same depth when it comes to e-commerce specific tools. For example, you won't get advanced inventory tracking or the same scalability as Shopify. If your business grows and you need more sophisticated features, you might quickly outgrow Wix. One more thing to consider is support. Shopify shines here. They offer 24/7 customer support, which is a lifesaver when you're just starting out and need help with something fast. Wix has customer support too, but it's not as readily available, especially for e-commerce specific queries. The Wix knowledge base is helpful, but you might not get that same level of hands-on assistance you'll find with Shopify. Now, both platforms are decent, but here's where I'll be a little critical. Shopify, while feature-rich, can feel overkill for someone who just wants to start a small online shop and doesn't need all the extras. You're paying a lot for features you might never use. And Wix, while affordable, could hold you back as your business expands. It's perfect for getting started, but you may quickly run into limitations. The truth is, both Shopify and Wix are good options for beginners. But after trying all of them myself, if you're looking for something that combines the best of both worlds, affordable pricing, ease of use, and the potential to scale, I'd recommend you check out the free trial of the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't just take my word for it. Go try it for yourself and see how it compares to Shopify and Wix. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to check out the description for that exclusive offer and start your e-commerce journey on the right foot.